At GTS Transportation, we know that reliable and safe transportation depends on a skilled team of maintenance professionals and mechanics. That's why we invest in regular training opportunities for our maintenance team. Trans-Chicago Training and Innovation Centers help our maintenance team learn the latest techniques and skills in areas like fuel efficiency and new methods of maintenance. This training allows our team to stay up to date with the latest industry advancements, ensuring that our trucks are always operating at their highest level of performance. Our team of skilled and certified technicians has access to the latest tools and technology. Whether you're an existing driver or considering joining GTS Transportation, you can trust that our team is always working to provide you with the highest level of service and expertise. GTS Transportation, your partner in transportation excellence.